Okay, I'll be honest. I could not wait to share this with you. I am personally very proud of what I've achieved. I'm going to show you something miraculous in the next couple of minutes. I'm going to take a YouTube video that I have made and I'm going to turn it into, well, you know what? You have to wait and see. You will be blown away. So let's get into it. Here's my channel. Here is a video of mine. We are going to grab this URL and then we're going to go to Python. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to paste that ending of that URL in here. I'm just going to remove this and I'm going to paste it here. Here's what's going to be happening. I have also created a couple of inputs. So I have my focus keyword, which is ThriveCart. This video talks about ThriveCart and the details about it, how it's an amazing shopping cart experience, yada, yada, yada. Okay, keep that in mind. So focus keyword. I have my target audience defined, which is solopreneurs over 40 years who are juggling 9-to-5 jobs with a side hustle. They have families and look to secure financial freedom. Cool. And finally, I have my tone. Casual, inspirational, and conversational, using short and simple sentences. Use figurative language to make the content more interesting and memorable. Why am I showing you this? This video is going to be transferred from just a YouTube video into Twitter posts, LinkedIn posts, Medium posts, a blog structure, Instagram captions, additional Facebook posts, I think, oh yeah, and I also forgot a newsletter. So all of these files you see in front of you are essentially instructions for ChatGPT as to what I want it to do. And this folder, which is where we're going to focus, is currently empty. So join me here and, well, let's let it rip. And I'll tell you how long it's actually going to take because I'm going to measure it from start to finish. Let's see time, my stopwatch, and I'll see you in a bit. Let's go. And that is it. Okay, it took 8 minutes and 1 second for the script to run, and I now have a block structure. Well, actually, hold on. With all of this excitement, let me rewind back. So what happened is we grabbed the transcript from the video. This is all of the transcript. I processed this transcript into something that's more legible. It's shorter. It's a smaller piece of text. Reason being is because I'm using AI to process it. I can't send it like a 20-minute worth of video, so I needed to condense it. I then start working with blog structure. So this is the original blog structure and this is the final output. If I wanted to expand this, it has headers, it has introduction, and it has bullet points for everything that you need to write in that part of the blog. And so that's just amazing. Then I have a medium draft, which has 2 variations of talking about this same topic, and you saw this live. Now I need to do some tweaking because of how it's feeding the instructions. Then I have tweets, 10 tweets right here on the subject of my video, which I can send out and just schedule them out throughout the week. I have Twitter threads One, two threads. Perfect. Then I have LinkedIn posts. I have two posts. Thrivecart and unbiased overview, blah, blah, blah. Fantastic. So I have two variations and I can spread them out over, let's say, 2 months so they don't look repetitive. Then I have Facebook posts. Look at that. Very nice. Even emojis. Attention all solopreneurs. Thrivecart's upselling and downselling mechanisms. So I would want to go through this and see if I need to make any tweaks. If you're an Instagram person, there you have, oh my God, even the hashtags. Damn, I'm good. Okay, so you have captions for a post. Now this obviously have to be more visual than text. Whoa, this is fantastic. And then I also created, hey there, oh my God, there's a newsletter that I'm going to be sending out. Whoa. It works, guys. It really does work. So in 8 minutes, I have been able to generate so much content that this can fill an entire 2 weeks, maybe a month, depending on your posting frequency of your channel. 8 weeks. Okay, so here's the thing. My goal is to bring what I'm doing on my local machine to all of you so you can do the same thing with your videos. The videos should be about, I'm aiming to cap them at about 20 minutes long because that's way too much text. If you want to have a preview and try this out for yourself, then go to my website and sign up for a newsletter. You'll see a sign up form right on the front page of solobusiness.ca. Sign up and I will be issuing a newsletter to all of my subscribers once this thing is ready so that you can have early access. You can provide your feedback, what you like, what you don't like. And this is going to be just the first step. My next step, you know what? Subscribe. I will keep that back. Anyway, cheers. See you in the next one.